Welcome back. Today we're gonna do high plank with knee to elbow. Let's start this. 60 seconds. Let me show you first. So, that was my knee. High plank with knee to elbow. Bring your left knee to your right elbow. When you bring your knee, hold 3 seconds and crunch your abdomen, your core. 3 seconds. Then go back. Plank. The other knee. Hold 3 seconds. Feel your abs and go back. Deal? Let me start my clock. 60 seconds. And breathe. It's not easy. Let's do this. Look in front of you and hold. High plank with knee to elbow. Well, guys, one of the benefits is back and spine. This exercise ensures your strong back and all the muscles of your spine. When the spinal muscles are strengthened, it acts as a great support to keep your spine fit and strong. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Exercise also ensures that your lower back is strengthened with the active use of core muscles. That's why we use this workout to strengthen our core. Whew. That's it. I hope you did it. I hope you don't modify. Try to do the high plank, even if it's 30 seconds. Then take a break and start again. Do 3 reps. And let me know how was today's workout. See you tomorrow.